We're told a drawing uses a scale of 1 millimeter to 7 centimeters. Rewrite the drawing scale without units. And they start us up. It says 1 to something, and we just want to put a number here. So pause this video, have a go at that. All right, now let's do this together. When you first look at this, you're like, oh, it looks like there's a 1 and a 7. Maybe this is 1 to 7. But these aren't the same units. If this said 1 millimeter to 7 millimeters, then it would be 1 to 7. But these aren't the same thing. So in order to do this, we'd want to convert them to the same units. And for simplicity, let's just convert the centimeters to millimeters. 1 centimeter has how many millimeters? Let me write this down. 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters? Well, it's equal to 10 millimeters. One way to think about it is 100 of these make a meter, 1,000 of these. So you're going to have 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, or 7 centimeters is the same thing as 70 millimeters. So the drawing scale is actually 1 to 70 when we get to the same units. Let's do another example, but in this one, we're going to go the other way around. We're told the scale, a map has a scale of 1 to 475, but now they want us to write the scale with units. So it's 1 centimeter to how many meters? So pause this video again and have a go at this. Well, if we kept everything in centimeters, we could write it is 1 centimeter to 475 centimeters. But they don't want this. They want us to give 475 centimeters in meters. So how do we convert that? Well, one way to think about it is you have 100 centimeters per every 1 meter, or you could say a meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So what you want to do is actually divide this by 100. Another way you could think about it, if you really want to think about units, 475 centimeters times 1 meter for every 100 centimeters. And you can think of it as these units are canceling out. And so you'd have 475 times 1 divided by 100 meters. So you'd have 475 over 100 meters, which is the same thing as 4.75 meters. So 1 centimeter to 4.75 meters.